Morning guys, this will be a quick video today and I'm going to be busy all day. I've got loads of errands to run. I need to go to Cambridge, then I need to go to a place called Huntingdon, then I need to get back to Cambridge again, then I need to come back home obviously. So I'm going to be really busy today, going back and forth different towns, and just got some errands to run. So just a quick video today, and just to say is that the pound Kiwi trades were successful, so I'm very happy, and we've de-risked, which is great because we probably could argue we've got too many trades running currently, but we are in profit. And just a quick update really to say we're probably going to get more TP, we're going to get more profit coming in from pound Kiwi. So 93 is our TP. We might not get to TP, but it doesn't matter too much. I've already made quite a bit of profit, and ideally we de-risk by getting to TP or SL. Either doesn't really mind. I don't really mind. We just need to take some risk off the table because we've got probably too many trades running currently. So very happy. We're running in profit and we're taking profit, right? So it's really cool. So very happy. So let's go to your indices and gold and things. Gold, well, you know, we've made a buy. A buy, you could probably argue we had like a crossover there. They went long, so we fell a little bit there, and then they shorted it. We had that big spike, and then they went long, so it dumped. And now they're selling it again. So the longer term view is that it's quite bullish. But we've got some resistance here, as you can see, and we mapped to it quite well, and that's going to be a supply because the retail guys went long. There has to be someone to counter that trade. So if they've gone long, like an entity, a large entity has to sell it, and so that's what happens. And then by them selling it, it then creates a supply. So it's like a sentimental supply. Hope that makes sense. And so we can see how that came into play a little bit. See. And that was a sentimental supply created by the herd, and there had to be something to counter that trade. So obviously a little bit of resistance here. So we grind higher, we might counter some resistance there. Go to DAX, and it's very choppy, and they've just sold it. So you could be looking for longs with a stop here potentially. But just to say that they have sold it. We're very, very extreme though, so be careful. We're getting to like historically skewed metrics there. There's not many. 13% is a little bit crazy, so be careful. It really is a buy, and it's a buy here, but there won't be any bears left. If there aren't any bears left, it will just be like the ultimate squeeze, and then we're going to see a violent reaction. So we might have to chop sideways potentially today, tomorrow, but we can see how we're going to be a little bit range bound here. And S&P, try and make this video a bit quicker. So the flag pole here, and then we had the bounce there. So that it kind of worked out. That's yesterday's strategy. I was saying we created the flag, and it might pan out. And it kind of panned out. There's the pole here, for example, right? So you see how we came down, pump, and then we did bounce, although we did admittedly probably break the bottom of that channel, then we pumped. So you get the idea. We'd already broken this large channel, and then we went up and pumped. So be careful if they're going long. That's going to be a risky sell. And then US 30. Oh God, where are you? There you are. Yeah, they're making a buy here. So hopefully you can't hear those pings. But yeah, that's the US 30 making a buy. And so I'll reply to this message now. It's probably to do with the robot. So remember to trade safely, and you should be fine. You know, if you're looking for a trade on this, you could look for a stop below that swing low there potentially. And I'm going to have to mute notifications and Telegram. And I'll speak to you guys soon. Remember, I'm away today. I'll be back in the afternoon. Okay, so trade safely. I'll speak to you later.